Hello friends, it's a pumpkin time. Today I'll show you how to make a delicious pumpkin cupcakes. I used the cream cheese frosting and also royal icing for decoration. Stay tuned for these recipes. Here I have flour, salt, baking powder and baking soda. To that I added all kinds of spices listed in the recipe. Here I have room temperature butter. To that I added sugar and 1 egg. Mix. Then add baked pumpkin or canned pumpkin. Then I will divide the flour into 2 halves and add 1 half first mix, then the second half. I made 8 in total and I baked at 350 for about 20 to 25 minutes. And now testing time. It's so delicious and yummy. You should try it. I'm using cream cheese frosting for decoration, and these are royal icing ice that I made earlier, and I'm using royal icing to stick them on the cupcakes. I'm using tip 2D, and this is made from royal icing. This is just melted chocolate. And don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.